is my herb garden, so I really have to get it tamed down. Everything's really grown together. This here is an herb called Borage. It's so beautiful with its beautiful blue flowers. And you're supposed to be able to eat these leaves. They're supposed to be really good inside of lettuces. They have almost like a cucumber taste. I haven't tried them. I actually just love the look of them. But it gets so wild. So I'm going to go ahead and trim it back so that way it doesn't take over all of my other herbs. And when I say cut back, I mean cut back. This is already probably my third time I've cut it back this season, and we're not even that far into the season. But then there's some spiders. Spiders are good. I don't like spiders because they give me the heebie-jeebies, but they're actually really good in your garden. They eat bad bugs, so that's why I tend to like seeing them. I just don't like it when they all of a sudden I find them crawling on me.
What are these? What are these?
Those are called hibiscus. Can you say hibiscus?
Hi, business.
Hi business. She's got her business bibs on too.
Look at carrots.
Wow, where'd you find those?
Some this.
Look at the kids love eating dinner in the garden. This is the bouquet dill, so it doesn't get as tall as the typical, you know, traditional dill. But what I love about this is putting it into my bouquets inside of the house. So you can cut it wherever you want, and it just keeps coming back. Nothing smells better than that. It smells like summer. Reminds me of when I was little on the farm, and we used to pick the dill with the pickles and sell it at the store. It smells so good. You want to smell it?
I hear the hummingbird whizzing by me.
Oh, he's right back there.
Hey, what you doing over here?
I'm eating peace.
What I try to cut off too are some of the areas where the little flowers come out. Those actually end up becoming seeds. And with a lot of herbs, they can reseed very easily. Most herbs, as soon as you see flowers, you might want to cut it off, so then that way you don't end up with all kinds of reseeding in your garden. It's going to smell really good tonight in the garden oasis, that's for sure. Even my flowering annuals get trimmed back just a little bit, so that way they don't overtake any of my herbs. This is the this is that new orange black-eyed Susan. It's very, very vigorous. It's so gorgeous, but it intertwines on everything over here. So I have to always keep an eye on this guy because he's always looking to choke someone out. And if this stuff finds dirt, it'll root into it then too. So it can get roots along the stem as well. With cilantro, as soon as your stalk gets a little stalky, like this one here, it's almost all the way over. You want to be able to cut it before it ever even hits that point. But I'm going to take these stalks really low, all the way down. If it doesn't come back nice and leafy and soft, then we'll just have to pull it and then reseed it. And if you allow the cilantro to flower out, that means it's seeding out. That means that you're going to find cilantro in a lot of places, and that stuff will return next year. This guy's starting to climb up there, which will be fine. Just trying to get more of these this way. It's all about controlling your garden. If you can control it and where it goes, you'll be happy with your results of intermixing the vegetables and flowering annuals. All I'm doing is working up the soil in between these varieties. It helps aerate the soil. If you're fertilizing, the fertilizer gets into those roots a lot quicker and more sufficiently, so your plants actually will end up being bigger, stronger, and greener. And they'll produce more. Now it's time to water and fertilize. I have fertilizer running through my hose, through my fertilizing injector, which was in the video before this video. So this is it before. And now this is it after I trimmed it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the Lawrence Network. We'll see you guys.